So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I'll teach you how you can enable your Meet from your Gmail. Okay, so guys, let's start this video. So guys, before we start in this video, I want to show you something that if you are new in this channel, then please hit the subscribe button and like in the videos. Okay, so to enable your Meet options, what you have to do, you have to just click in this left side three steps bottoms, and after that you have to scroll down and come in the settings, and after that you have to click in your own personal Gmails. After that, come down. So here we can see this Meet. So the Meet tab for video calling, so you have to just click it for and updating, and now you can see this restarting. So now here you can see this Meet option has been enabled. So guys, this is how you have to do in your any Android mobile phones. So guys, thanks for watching this video.